Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have another video for you all. In this video I'll show you how you can cancel an order on eBay, but before that please do make sure to like the video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, now we will start our video. For that you first have to access the particular eBay app on your mobile phone. Now go back to your home section and you're going to find this kind of interface, right? Then afterwards, here in this below section of the apps options, you're going to find this option called My eBay. Tap on it, and now then here in this My eBay category you will find this option called purchases just below the buy again. And here in this purchases section, all of your recent purchases will be listed over here, including the orders that you have obviously access for the shipping and stuff yet to be shipped as well. Then afterwards you're gonna find the particular order you want to cancel. You're gonna select them, then you're gonna select this more actions that will be in the drop down, and then afterwards you're going to find this option called contact seller. Tap on it. Now you have to choose a request to cancel this order, then you have to contact the seller for that matter, and then you're gonna write in, you gotta explain why you would like to return it or cancel it, and then that particular request of yours. Once they have confirmed it, you will be able to cancel your order just like that. That is the easy way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.